Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can remove watermark in Photoshop. So for that you have to open that image with a watermark and simply you have to select a selection tool. You can select any selection tool you want and you have to select the watermark. And make sure your layer is locked and you have to press delete on your keyboard. In here you will find content aware. You have to click on OK. Your watermark will be deleted from the photo. So if an image has like very watermark which are like in the middle of the image or which is like very profound, then you have to like take time and select all those like selection accurately, and like you have to spend a lot of time and like keep selecting those watermark parts of watermark, and you have to just press delete and make a and click on content aware and click on OK. And if the watermark is simple watermark like this one, then you can easily remove it by following this method. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.